Hey there, welcome to Artistry Dreams. So in this video I'll show you how you can do this cube Zentangle. So firstly, draw a line of 10.5 centimeters. Consider these points as A and B. Now from A, mark points at 2.5 cm, 4 cm and 6 cm. And let these points be C, D and E. Now from D, go out at 1.5 cm to F. And from E, again 1.5 cm to G. Now from C, go out at 4 cm to H. Come down by 2 cm from H to I. Now join HI, FG, HF and IG. Also join HA. Now from B, go out 4.5 cm slantly to J. Draw a straight line from J. Also join J and B. Now again from B, go out 6 cm diagonally and let this point be K. And join these points. Now from point F, go out by 5 cm diagonally. Let this point be L and join these points. From L, go down by 2 cm to M. Join LM and GM. Also connect AL. Now from M, go out by 1 cm diagonally to N. Draw a straight line from N to K. Also join N to E and I to E. Now erase the line that we drew first. Now join B to E. Now divide each side into 3 parts and join it with straight lines. Once your outline is ready, go ahead and trace it. I'm using a micro tip pen. You can use any pen of your choice. Now, if you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, please do subscribe and hit the bell icon. And if you've already subscribed, thank you so much. Then, draw the inner patterns. Lastly, use a black color pencil to just shade the corners. Once everything is done, this is how it looks finally. Hope you liked this video and thanks for watching.